Year 1, these are the tasks for Tuesday. Miss O'Dempsey will ask you please to write out your words for Tuesday under the Tuesday column, and your spelling task today will be word jumble. Okay, so have a look for the E. You need an EE together to make that sound of the week, and this is the word jumble that you need to complete, and these sheets will be glued into your Thras book, please. This is your next task, which is your reading. Now, this is what Miss O'Dempsey types in, so it's different to what you see at home. But depending on which group you're in, is which activity, depending on which reading group you're in, will depend on which book you're reading today, okay? Just read that one book for me. I know it's very easy to go ahead and read more, but today's task will be for you to go along and do your activity at the end. So remember, you've got 2 tasks at the end of your story, which is called words and thinking. And there's also here the website if you're not sure how to log on. If there's time left, because this morning I've got 20 or 30 minutes at the end of that time, you can go on Reading Eggs or on Study Ladder. Now, I've just gone into one of your Study Ladder accounts so you know. If you have a look here where it says My Individual Program, that's all the tasks that Miss O'Dempsey set for you across 1H and 1S. Now, new students, Ethan and Hayden, might need to know this. So down the bottom, you're looking for reading, okay? So it says here work for reading groups, but there's also spelling as well. There's also grammar. So Miss O'Dempsey, this one here where it says spelling and grammar, these are the ones that I'd love you to look at the most, if you could, because it's all to do with sentences and parts of sentences which we've been talking about. So once again, once you've finished your reading, if you go on to Study Ladder or Reading Eggs if you'd prefer, the idea is that you will go right down and do one of the activities for English, whether it's spelling, reading or your grammar, okay? Once you've done that, it'll be time for writing. I won't spend too long talking about writing because there's another video a little bit further down which goes into that if you want to. But if you would like to not watch that video, everything you need is explained here on your handout. All right, so you've got your Tuesday spelling, you've got a bit of reading on Sunshine Classics, and then to finish off the morning, I'd like you to write out your description that you planned yesterday, please.